Hi there, my awesome tech buddies. Be honest, do you still start up your PC and see that same old boring default logo? It has been there since dinosaur time. Well, my friend, now it's time to evolve. Let's turn that dull startup into something bashing, cool, and totally yo. Stick with me till the end because in this video, I'm going to show you every single step to change your PC startup logo. And trust me, it is easier than making instant noodles. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to know your PC screen's resolution. To check it, simply right-click anywhere on your desktop, not your crush photo, and choose Display Settings. Now look for Display Resolution and note the one that vendor recommend. In my case, it is 1920 by 1080. That's the magic number we need. Write it down or take screenshot if your memory is like mine, gone after 2 seconds. Now it's time to get or create your new logo, the one you want to see when your PC starts. You can design it yourself or download one you like. I made my own. If your logo is in another format, don't worry, just save it or convert it to .pmp format and name it splash.pmp. Think of it like giving your logo a superhero name. You will find the link to the required software in the video description, so go ahead and download it. Once you download it, unzip the folder and open it. Now copy your splash.pmp image and paste it inside that folder. Replace the old file if it asks. We are basically swapping boring for brilliant. Next, right click on setup and choose run as administrator because we are the boss today. When this window pop up, press I on your keyboards. It will open your image in Paint. Just close it and wait. And guess what? Boom! Your new logo is now set as your PC startup screen. Start your PC, sit back and watch as your computer say goodbye to boring and hello to awesome. If this video made your PC cooler or made you laugh even a little, then smash that like, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss more fun tech trick like this. Thanks for hanging out with me today. You are amazing. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep shining and stay techy.